how to use Amplify Ambient sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on hearing enhancement. So after click on hearing enhancement, you will see Amplify Ambient sound is here, so click on Amplify Ambient sound. So after click on Amplify Ambient sound, so turn on Amplify Ambient sound shortcut. So click on this option, and if you want to use, click on this icon. So you will select navigation bar floating over apps. So you will see, go back. So if you want to use accessibility button, so click on this accessibility, you will see, and pass side volume up button and pass size volume down button. So after watching, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use Amplify Ambient sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.